see, most of you might already be receiving notifications from Facebook like this. So once you go to your notifications, you get something like this telling you you have exactly 90 days to download all your Facebook live streams before they have been taken down. Now, according to Facebook, Facebook is taking away the option of retaining your live stream videos after you've done your live stream. Now you only have a couple of days before they delete it. So what they say is download your live videos to keep them. Starting from June 29th, your live videos older than 30 days will be deleted. If you want to keep your live videos, you can do one of the following. So you can download your live videos once you are done to your device and keep it on your phone. But if for people like you do, let's say, tutorials and things like that, and you don't want to lose those videos, let's say you've done training and things like that, and you don't want to lose those videos, it's a simple way to go around this fix. Now, apart from this, I got also the email. Most of you will be receiving emails to tell you that you have few days for your live videos to be deleted if you not downloaded them. So what there are two ways we can fix this issue. So this is also notification from Facebook and all that. So now there are two ways we can fix this problem or get this fixed. So you can come here. There's this site for downloading videos from Facebook, be it Facebook Reels, Facebook live stream, or all that. You just copy the link and come paste it here. So let's try it out and see. Now, I'm still going to show you other ways you can go around this. I will just come here. So let's say we go here and we'll look for videos. Let's go to videos. Now, let's say one of these videos is your live stream. You can easily just copy the link and go ahead and paste it on here, download and save. So after you finish saving this video, I'm just going to show you what you can do. It's simple, it's very easy. So after saving the video or you finish downloading the video, what you can easily just do is re-upload it back to Facebook. But it can be pretty very long. Once it's very, very long, it might take a long time for you to upload. So if you've previously not been uploading long form videos, like say like 30 minutes videos on Facebook, 40 minutes, now you want to upload 1 hour to 2 hours, it might be a problem. But you can easily still do it. Once you finish uploading it, then you see them under video sections. So don't be alarmed, don't be worried, don't let the notification from Facebook telling you that they're taking away live stream, they can't save your live stream videos for you after 30 days. It's fine. Just download it, re-upload it on your Facebook. So we're not going to be able to have access to live videos, but you have videos on Facebook. So if you see here, there's no such thing as live videos anymore. It's just videos. But you can go live. They give you 30 days to download it. I hope this helped you to fix the issue so you can able to go around it. If you still have more questions you want to ask me, go ahead and ask me in the